Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Portable Power Electric Hoist. That's kind of cool. So it actually came with a strap. That's very nice. I am all in favor of web straps to help make sure that we're not going to be damaging our equipment. So it is fully looped on the ends. So if we want to, we can just put both of them on one hook, or we could run this as a choker. It is definitely a thick and looks like a fairly heavy duty strap. So we got our instructions, but it also came with 2 remotes. It even came with batteries for them. And it also came with some extra carbon brushes just in case we ever need to change the brushes on this thing. Cool. We have our cable control, so it's just a simple up-down. It has a nice long cable on it as well. So this looks like a sealed box. We also have a little hinge on the back in case we want to attach this to something. Good feeling buttons, and a nice strain relief on the bottom. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So they gave us a mounting eyelet. So if we don't have anything we can hang this on, we can just screw this to the ceiling and we can run the hook through that. That's nice. I like that they included that. And there is the hoist. So it's got a nice thick heavy duty cable on there with a spring relief. Also appears to have a rubber stopper. It is fully crimped and a swivel hook with a spring on it. The top also has a swivel hook that also articulates. So if you're trying to lift something and then kind of push it into place, you'll be able to do that with this without damaging anything. We got our on-off switch on the side, and we got a port for our cable control. I like that they put this little cap on it. So if we don't want to use it like that, we don't have to. It appears we also have a control on the device itself. So there's a lot of ways to control this thing. We got an indicator on the front, and it looks like an overload switch there on the bottom. They also gave us a glove with something in it. Oh, cool. So these are mounting bolts for the eyelet. So if you need to put this into something that's concrete, you got something right away that you can use to install this. So we got this metal table, and it is full of stuff. We got a bunch of sockets and stuff in there. So this is going to be pretty darn heavy.
Oh, that's interesting.
I like that it moves slow.
I know, but
Some of these go real fast. I got still to it. But yeah, I'll upside the guy right up. That is pretty awesome.
is it more like a winch instead of a lift?
No, that's a hoist. That's a hoist for sure.
Because the box, you gotta reach the box.
Oh.
The remotes?
Yeah, so we got a remote. Alright.
It's handy, you know?
Got this thing too.
That's a good little thing.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet actually. That's awesome. Cool. Yeah. That is a nice strong hoist.